Insight. What's insight? You know that aha moment? We all have them. Now, some people have more than others, but we all love it when we have an insight. Insight just feels good, and it's more than just a new idea. A real insight gives you new clarity and new direction. Actually, one of the greatest secrets to success is take committed action on your insights. In my experience, the people who take committed action on their insights make more money, they have more fun, they stay in business longer. I mean, money, fun, durability are three big benefits for you and me getting new insight. It's actually a neuroscience thing. It's happening inside our brains. When your brain is getting fresh thinking, when your brain is connecting new networks, and you get this shot of pure good brain adrenaline, and you have this experience. It's actually an internal experience of inspiration. That's the natural power of insight. And best of all, that's what this video series is designed to do. Give you fresh thinking on a very familiar, very profitable, and very intelligent subject. And that subject is my favorite subject in the world. The subject is referrals. And I promise you that you will get new, creative, fun learning on exactly how to accelerate your referral business very quickly, and with velocity, it will grow forever. I promise you in this video series, insight.